Uh, Good morning, everyone. Good morning to our audiences, especially to the Tautai Sasa'a members. This afternoon I'm having the two of our students who have participated in the Faalogo Tautai, or Listen to the Navigator course. It's a course that has been put up by the Tautai Sasa'a charitable trust, and it's with the funding from the Foundation North. So it's possible for us to have a podcast with our children, telling us, not only our children, but also our elderly people, to be able to record and put into every media that is available, so that we can keep our history as long as we have. So I'm pleased this morning to have with me the daughter of one of the members, LaVida, the daughter of our chairman, to the fourth, and also the daughter of Josie. So good morning, or good afternoon, ladies.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
So how are you?
Good, thank you. Great.
You know where Samoa is?
Yes.
So where is Samoa? In the Pacific Ocean. I would like to ask each and every one of you, and you keep the position of Samoa on the map according to what is the nearest country to it, and then one of you will also tell me what distance, like the direction it's south of which country. So LaVida first. You know, you said that it's in the Pacific Ocean. What are the countries near Samoa in the Pacific Ocean? And you, Josie, Tonga? Where is Tonga from Samoa? Which direction?
On the east.
Yeah, it's Soifua. But it's as a Samoan young lady growing up in New Zealand, you need to know where your country is, because that's where your parents had brought you from Samoa, or whether it is basically, it's basically if you are born in New Zealand, then it's good for you to know where you come from. So the second question, we have been having this course for 6 weeks, and hopefully you have learned something. And I think each of you were asked if you could go and do some research on each of the particular topic that we have been lecturing on. So LaVida, what did you learn? What did you learn from this course?
What I learned from the classes that I've attended with the importance of knowing this of our culture,
And you, Josie, what about you, Josie?
learn about my culture and tradition, learning about how our culture evolved into Samoan and
Yeah, you can have some detail on what you just said about the culture. Can you put a little bit of,
for example, the language itself, what I learned behind the alphabet and we added a few letters to the alphabet. Not only that, but Samoa itself and how it came to be, the people who once ruled over Samoa and like Tonga, the king of Tonga and stuff like that.
and you choose? What put a little bit more on what you just said, because what you said, you learn about the culture, learn about what?
Learn about cornerstone, storytelling, and how we embrace our culture, and ask our grandparents for how they grow up and how they use our culture when you're young.
Were you born in Samoa, LaVida, or you born in born and raised in New Zealand? Oh, okay. What about you, Josie? Born in New Zealand or born in Samoa?
Born and raised in Samoa.
Oh, okay. So there's a difference between you two. One was born in New Zealand and one was born in Samoa. So it's good that you can, you know the different things that's why you were brought in Samoa. Can you tell me a little bit about the things you did in Samoa? Because tomorrow will be another very important day for us. It's part of our course. And we'll do a umu and how the Samoans cook our food up. And did you do a umu while you in Samoa?
Yeah, especially my family, because my family, I only have my dad and my little brother, so I always help out my dad to do the umu. Yeah.
Okay.
So up to you.
Have you ever done a umu with that in New Zealand? So you're looking forward to tomorrow, huh? And you know what the umu is here. You'll go near the umu and it's really, really hot. That's from your experience.
Yeah.
Okay. What school do you go to? Ask me the first.
I attend Mahonri High School.
Yeah, what class?
Year 11.
And Josie?
Yeah, I was in Mahonri High School, year 11.
Okay. Yeah, you know, in the course that we were having as well, we did learn about, you said something about the cornerstone of the Samoan culture, but you didn't mention what it is. What is the cornerstone, Josie? I think you need to tell a little bit more about, because if you talk about the makuri magu or the cornerstone, yeah, that's one of the most important things in what you for the course.
Samoan cornerstone is respect. Is the one of the main things that we should know. Respect is something that you have to show in front of people, and respect to your elders and help them. Not just your elders, but especially people that visit your country, and you have to respect them and help them out. Yeah.
What about you, Rita? Respect. Say something about respect. Have you ever pushed to your parents or your grandparents or?
Not only that, but it's knowing the bond between you and someone. Like one of the examples that we told. For example, I had a husband, and he had like a little how do I say this? He had like a little brother. I have to, and like the little brother's like cheeky to me and all of that. I have to respect the fact that he's still my brother-in-law, if that makes sense.
And you know, respect is not only within the family. It's also outside of the family. That's why so many things are happening in the schools today. You see, because if you go to the schools today, there's a lot of unrespectful students. But I think it's good that you have attended the course and to be reminded of that. What do you think, Ina and Joseph? Is that a good part of the course, good outcome for the course?
Yep.
Okay. But you study all the time? Disobedience all the time? Or?
Yep. Seriously. I study all the time. Yeah.
What about you, Vida?
Yeah.
Yes, you see you have your granddad to You study all the time, but you chose, you have a grand idea with us, and please to listen to you and make sure you respect them. Okay. You got nothing, something else to say about our podcast? You, Vida first. What about you, Josh?
I just want to say thank you for this opportunity that and this course that bring our people together and get to know each other. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. That's part of our episode 1, episode 3 of our podcast. And please, can you give a hand for Josie and Vida?